take roll really quickly. Okay. Why is that happening? Give me 1 second. What is going on? Why did that do that? All right. Ugh. Okay, I need everybody to open Eclipse for right now. Create a new project in a new class.
What should we name it?
Anything. Okay. All right, so you should have a super class and a tester class, okay? And what I want you guys to do right now, so I want a super class and a tester class. Let me show my show view. Where's my project explorer, package explorer? There we go. There it is, new. Okay, actually make two classes. So make two classes. Make a super class called bank and then a tester class. Okay, this is just more of a review because I haven't seen you guys in a while before we move on. Okay, also, you're going to have your exam. Okay, you guys are going to have your exam. More than likely, it's looking like probably let me see. More than likely, your exam is going to be February 2nd. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's over a week from now. Okay, February 2nd, right? So your exam, it's basically going to be very ArrayList and 2D array heavy. Okay. array, array list, and 2D array heavy. All right. So what I want you guys to do right now, okay, is I want you to create a bank class, okay? I want you guys in here. Let me increase this. So go ahead, and what I want you to do is you're going to create a bank class. And what I want you to do is I want you to use these 3 variables: double balance and interest and I want you to do string name, okay? Now what I want you to do is I want you to make a constructor for all of these, okay? So you're gonna need a constructor, okay? You're gonna need, let's see. All right, so I want a constructor. I want getters and setters for all, okay? I want, and always guys, when I say constructor, by default, the constructor accepts parameters, okay? Always. So if I'm ever talking and you guys do just a blank one, you're going to get counted wrong. Okay. From now on, they're always, the AP will always want default constructors. You're going to need getters and setters for all. Okay. You're going to also need, for right now, I want 2 separate methods. Okay. Deposit and withdraw. Okay. Withdraw must be abstract. Okay. I then want you to inherit from this class 2 different classes: corporate and local bank. Each of these must have a new variable, okay? State, basically what state do you live in? California, Los Angeles, or California, New York, Massachusetts, et cetera, okay? Each of these must have a new variable state initialized in the constructor. Each must have a toString, okay? Then in the tester class, what I want in the tester class, okay? What I want is an array list. Okay, but all the parameters must be asked for. Okay, all the parameters must be asked for. So you're going to need a scanner class. And let me put this right here. Okay. Create 2 locals and 1 corporate in total. Actually, no. Just do 5 locals. Okay. And then print out the array list.
So which of the classes is abstract again, or which of the methods are abstract?
Only one. Let me change it so you can read it. The only one
is the withdraw one.
It's the withdrawal. Yes.
Okay.
Sorry if I'm a little bit out of it today, guys. I pulled my back yesterday really badly. So right after these 2 classes, I'm going straight to the emergency room. Give you guys about 6-7 more minutes and then we'll get started. Okay. All right. Let's get started. Where are you guys? That's weird. Okay. All right. So take a look. Okay. We have our bank. So what we do is, so first of all, one, these should all be private. Okay. All right. Second, constructor. Okay. Now, right off the bat, what's the first thing I can take care of? What's one of the first things that I can take care of, guys? Huh?
Like the first thing you're gonna write? Oh,
Abstract. Okay. Right off the bat. You know, it's an abstract class. Okay. And again, what does abstract mean in the tester class, Logan?
It means that it doesn't do anything. It's just like a template or something for.
Yes. Can I make an object out of it?
No.
No. Perfect. Okay. So private double balance interest, private string name. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say public bank double balance double interest string name. Okay, this dot balance equals balance. This dot interest equals interest. And this dot name equals name. Okay, everybody get that? So do we feel like we are 100% on constructors? Okay, perfect. Okay, now, next thing I'm going to do, oops, intercest. Okay, that's kind of awkward. Interest, okay. So this dot interest equals interest, perfect, there we go. So I'm gonna say public double get name or get balance. Return balance. Okay. Come on. Can I copy? Why is this giving me? Oh, whoops. All right. So I'm just going to do this 3 times. Or dot get interest. This dot interest. And name and name. Okay, how many of you got these? Oops. Good. Okay. All right, let's see a progress check. Okay, just real quick. Uma, share your screen.
I heard Uma and then nothing else after.
You have what?
I heard Uma and then nothing else.
Uma, share your screen. Just share your Eclipse. Okay. All right, you've got to pay more attention. You should know these, okay? That's not excused. Come on, Uma. This is stuff you should know how to do. Thanos, share your screen. Solid, good, nice. Scroll up. Nice, very good. And you used voids, good. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, close it. Will, share your screen.
I'm on my Mac, so can I just show you my screen like this?
No. Why aren't you on yours? Why don't you just log into Zoom via your Mac?
What?
Why don't you just log on to Zoom via your Mac?
I do all my other classes on this computer.
Okay.
On the same thing. It's not mine.
You know, you can log in again to Zoom. So if you're on your Mac, you should be able to log into Zoom again. I have students do it in other classes.
You want me to get on Zoom right now?
Yep, I want to see your screen. Because I want to see all the comment codes that you've written. Okay, while we're waiting, let's have Alex share your screen. Solid. Nice job. Okay, well, share your screen. Scroll up. Scroll down. Keep going, keep going. Where are your notes? I want more notes than these.
Yeah, I really did not have like that much time. I was like rushing as it is.
Scroll down. There's no time limit on this. Class deposit inherit bank. Let's do it the right way. Okay. All right, let's see. Share your screen, Euban. Good. Nice. Nice. I like it. You just kept it nice and simple with the letters. Good job, Euban. Okay. All right. So that being said, now what we're going to do is we're just going to change these. I'm just basically going to copy these. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say set. Okay. And we're going to say double balance. Double B, double I, and double N.
I don't see you screen sharing, Greg.
Hold on. Oops. Okay, so all I did was I just copied these and just making modifications. Copy and paste is our friend. Okay, so then I'm just going to say for this one, I'll actually use new lines. Okay, so I'll just say, and what I'll do is I'm going to make these void because I don't want to return anything. Void and void. Okay, perfect. All right, there we go. Perfect. All right, so we have everything there. Okay, we have all our setters, we have all our getters. Now, again, on the AP, you're more than likely not going to be required to use setters and getters, okay? But there is a possibility that they will exist and they will tell you that they exist. So make sure you know whether one is a void or whether one is actually returning something. Okay, then I told you guys to go ahead and make two different, or to make a withdraw and a deposit method. Now the withdraw method, I can just get out of the way because it is abstract. I could say abstract. How many of you guys voided? How many of you guys returned something? Okay, I'm just gonna put void. Either one works, so that's fine. So I'm just gonna say abstract void withdraw. Let me actually make it sure that this is public so that I can use it. Public abstract void withdraw. And let's say double AMT for amount. Okay. Easy. Abstract methods are extremely easy. When you guys have to write them on the AP, which I think you will this year. Okay. This should be easy points for you. Okay. And then the last one is deposit. Public void. Done. Okay. So that was simple. Okay. That was very, very easy to do. Okay. This shouldn't have been too hard. You guys, how many of you guys got this super class all by yourself? How many of you guys got everything perfect on the super class? Raise your hand. Who missed? Ian, did you miss something?
I had a little trouble on the abstract.
Okay. So again, remember that an abstract works like a what method, a method in a what. We haven't gone over it in a while. We will. It starts with an I. Interface. Okay. An abstract method is only initialized or basically completed in the class that's inheriting it. So for example, now when I do class local bank extends bank, okay, now what it's going to do is it will give me something like, it'll say something like initialize unimplemented methods. Okay, so I have to add the constructor, but I also told you guys you need a new, so public, or we'll say private string state. Public local bank double B double I string N string state or S. Okay. So now what I can say is I can say super B I N and state equals S. How many of you got this one? How many of you got this correct? Danos, you did it? You got it good? Logan, did you get it?
I didn't say that state equals S. I said state does not equal state.
You put, well, I'm saying you still initialize state, right? You don't, it doesn't have to match exactly the same.
Oh, yeah, I did that.
But you got the state. Yeah. Don't worry about the variable names or anything like that. Okay. But you did it in this fashion, correct? You got state through the constructor?
Yeah. Okay,
good. Then we needed a public string to string. Okay. I'll turn that, I'll fill this in later. I just wanted to get everything done. Okay. And then last, we needed to do what? What's the last thing we need?
The abstract method.
Bingo. Public void. Now, again, some of you will do this when you're writing it. Public, you will do public abstract. Don't do that. Okay. Public void withdraw. And then double AMT. Okay. Bingo. So, all right. So here we go. So that's that. Okay. So I have all of this. Good review. Okay. I have everything I need. I can fill all of this in. We're going to work with this tomorrow. Okay. But I go here. Okay. First thing I need to do, I'm creating my array list. So I want to do what? Import java.util.asterisk. Okay, then I want to create my array list. Array list local banks equals new array list local bank. Done. Okay, so we're going to save this. All right. And then the last thing that we're going to do is we need to initialize them. Okay. And next, what's the next thing I need to do? Scanner. All right. So I will give you guys a second to get caught up on this code because we're going to be working with this tomorrow, just finalizing this up, just making sure. Okay. Manipulating the array list, working with 2D arrays as well. I want you guys to get this down. Okay. Because what we're also going to do is we're going to also add an interface to this. Okay. And as you can see, it's really, it looks like it's a lot of code, but it really, if you think about it, really isn't. The only thing I haven't done, which you should do, is you guys should create the corporate bank. Okay. And then you guys should have the 5 local array lists by tomorrow. You should have that done. Okay. All right. Does anybody have any questions? And I'll put this online because this is just classwork though. Say I'm going to put this online just so you guys have this ready to go so you guys can just review it. Okay. Any questions?
Are we ever gonna go over the test we took like 2 weeks ago?
Which one? Oh, yeah. No, we're not. I'm going to send it to you, but I'm not going to go over it. But I'll send it to you. I have no problem sending it to you. Is that okay, Lance?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. Okay. All right. So take care, everyone. I will see you guys later. But yeah, give me, you know what, Lance, I'll give you till Wednesday and I'll have them sent to you. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.